Starbucks, you can get a free Starbucks. So I just felt it was worth mentioning. The Starbucks is doing a promo right now for free. Nothing is free, Will. You never get anything for free.
Yeah.
See, this wasn't free. They forced me to pay for it. Okay, I paid for that. I don't know, a few dollars. But they're actually giving a bunch away. I don't know, what are they celebrating? They're calling it pop-up parties. Are they celebrating something specifically? Starbucks is celebrating the end of the decade, but instead of champagne, it's giving coffee connoisseurs free espresso drinks. So this is just a dark roast.
Okay.
Espresso drink is twice the price of this.
Uh-huh.
So that's an even better freebie, as far as I'm concerned. And the way they're going to do it is up until December 31st. So we're filming this on, what is the day today we're filming this?
27th.
27. Okay, so you got to, depending when you're watching this, you got a few days to figure it out. At over 200 Starbucks stores nationwide, they're going to have 1,000 different pop-up parties. So I guess there's going to be multiple opportunities at these various 200 stores. And you can click on the website. It's starbuckspopup.com between the 27th and 31st. If you go, you get an espresso beverage, either hot or iced. And it starts at 1 p.m. local time. And you just get it for free. You don't have to, it's not one of these things where you have to buy anything. It's not one of these things where you got to use your Starbucks card code. It's no loyalty, nothing. You just get the free espresso beverage.
Okay.
So that's just a freebie for everyone. And I guess, I mean, in Starbucks' case, they want to get you talking about it. And we're talking about it. So they get something out of it, but you get a free espresso beverage. Those could be like $4 or $5.
Oh, yeah.
Which one would you get? What do you like? You like an iced Americano, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's my jam.
So that would be included. That's an espresso beverage right there. That would cost you a few bucks. And in this case, it wouldn't. So when you click on the StarbucksPopup.com, you see the locations will be announced in 6 hours. So they have the different announcements. You gotta, they try to make a game out of it. Give them some, go easy on them. They try to make a game out. They got marketing people, Will. They got staff in a boardroom.
One or two, yeah.
Yeah, so they say, well, we got to do something cool. And they put the website and the cups are popping. And a guy like you might look at it and say, oh, this is just a corporate giant here pretending they're giving me something when I'm going to, over the course of the year, give them, $500 or whatever you spend on coffee over the course of the year. Well, yeah, there's that part too.
Yeah.
But for the next couple of days, you get a freebie. So take them up on it and look for the pop-up location. I don't know, whatever. Free Starbucks. Who can hate? I don't know. Someone will. Someone say, Starbucks ruining planet Earth.
Yeah. Too many cups.
Now Lou's talking about Starbucks. He ruined planet Earth.
Yeah.
The Earth is a fertile land.
Cancel Lou later.
Cancel it.
Yeah.
And meanwhile, I just look in an article and say, oh, it's a free Starbucks.
Nope. Cancel.
I just look at an article. I just say, oh, that's a cool thing. Yeah, get yourself a free espresso drink. Sick of his corporate message. There's a cup on the desk. They forced him to say it.
Greta's on her way.
Yeah, he's coming. She's coming.
In a boat.
Pay up.
Yeah.
It's like the mob. Did you say Starbucks? Yeah, man, it's hard. It's hard in 2019. I don't know. I'm just telling you about free coffee. Can't win. 2019, You can't win. 2020, maybe.
Yeah.
We'll see. 2020, maybe it turns around. Maybe everybody's cool.
Everyone's vision's cleared up.
It's all optimistic. It's just optimism in 2020. Everybody looks around. They love each other. Everybody chills? No, probably not.